Okay, so we've got this basic Vivobook. Do a quick unboxing and have a look on the inside. And I'm gonna clone an existing operating system on it. So what do you get? Just the usual 45-watt charger. For a sub Australian $1,000. It is a very light machine. AMD logo always looks nice. Screen quality. It's a matte finish, nice. And did they move away from the annoying hinge? Yeah, so this hinge will not break, will last you a long time. Let's have a quick look on the inside. Okay, so no upgradable component except the SSD and the Wi-Fi chip. RAM is very close to the CPU. GPU is part of the CPU. 42 work hour battery. Typical ASUS fan. Charging port is part of the motherboard. It's interesting how they've designed the screw mounts completely separate. I guess they are not going to be short at the ground anymore, being really close to 19 volts. The battery connector is the same. That also disconnects from there too. These are the newer designs of the ASUS batteries. This will make an excellent everyday use laptop just for basic stuff, email, YouTube, Word documents, etc. Great for kids' homework. Okay, so in my case, I won't be booting into Windows. I'll just go ahead and do the cloning. Right, it's on the other side. Okay, power, escape key. Okay, now it's turning on. Yeah, screen isn't the best quality. Let's see how this cloning will go. Vivobook 14 and 15, so pretty much same motherboard on the 14 and the 15 model. Okay, so we're going to clone this guy onto that guy. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.